What up? Dan here with Flournoy Family Farm. Out here on the farm. Got me a buck the other day. Thought I'd do a European mount. So I'm gonna skin the head here in a few minutes. I'm gonna do it in time lapse. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do a European mount. I'm learning how to do it. I've done it a couple times, but I got a buddy that's gonna show me, Jamie, and we'll see how it goes. Went duck hunting this morning, got 10 teal. It was a good morning. This is the second weekend, and things are going well. Got me a deer, got me some ducks on the opening weekend, got me some ducks this weekend, and we're fixing to come up on Thanksgiving holiday, so it ought to be good for some more duck hunting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, make comments, whatever you want to do. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy it. Go and watch my other videos too. See ya.
What we got here, Dan?
What up, Jamie? I'm here with my buddy Jamie. We're going to do a little European mount cleanup action. I already did the skinning of the head, which y'all saw. And now we're going to boil it, right, Jamie?
You got it boiled, yeah. So these are two already boiled now. And then
to make it slick like your hand?
Yes, exactly right. Nice and smooth. And then we'll get these bad boys out. We'll throw them on the rubber mat over here and we'll get them pressure washed. Get all the meat off of them, make them look good.
All right, sounds
and
like
we'll throw this one in the pot.
All right.
Get her cooking.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right. What it does is it softens up all the meat and the brain and the cartilage. So when you power wash it, it comes off a lot easier. Way easier than normal.
And then this is the best part to eat right down here. You pull that off.
Oh, dang it, Jamie. Brain funk all over.
That was mouth funk.
A little bit smaller spread, but good mass, good mature buck, but just probably deteriorating in his age. He was about a five-year-old deer probably. But all these have real dark horns for this area. It's cool. How do you get all that funk out?
Just if some of this doesn't come off the first pressure washing, throw it back in the boil, and just get some of this inner meat cooked back down some more, and then just pressure wash it again. We'll end up getting all this cartilage down in the nose, and depending on how bad the sinus cavity is on the deer, all these sinus cavities can either come out, or we'll try to keep them intact. Most of the time we'll take them out just to make a cleaner look. The little eye is tear duct.
Yeah.
You'll have to come in there later on after we get everything clean and dry. We'll take a pick and we'll pull that. It's like a big old long booger that's gonna come out of there. And it's solid black. It's
you get
nasty.
those all the time, don't you?
Yeah, I get boogers all the time too.
How about
these
the
are big old eye boogers. So we're gonna get to the brain in a minute. We're gonna break these earbuds out, and that'll give us a little bit more room to play with down in the brain. But eventually we're gonna get in there, we're gonna get that brain sack, and we're gonna pull that dude out.
That's just nasty, Jamie.
I got a special tool. Well, the nasty part's when you blow the brain out of it. It's like an eruption of brain. But we're getting there.
All right, what you doing, Jamie?
It's gonna be the brain shot, Dan.
All right. Get some right. Oh, look.
I'm sure it's all over me.
That's nasty. All right. What about it now? We got that part done. What's next, Jamie?
So we're gonna let them dry. We'll get all the little detail work picked out of them. We'll get the eye boogers out. get that done, and then on to the white bone potion will be our next, and that'll be the magic. That'll make them white. And then the
so we let them dry for a couple days.
we'll let them dry for a couple days.
Let's go to the next step.
Let's do it.
Later. See ya. Yeah. What are we doing here, Jamie?
All right, next step, we're gonna bleach the skull, or the bone of the European mount. So what we want to do is we want to protect the coloring of the antler and try to keep that bleach from getting into that horn and change the color as much as possible. So we're going to wrap the base of the horn or the antler with saran wrap. We're going to use electrical tape just to kind of hold it on good and tight. And so some of that bleach or peroxide is going to boil through the pedicle and kind of leach in through the inside of the bone. But we just want to mitigate as much of that as possible so we don't have to do much color work once we go back to staining the horn. Yep. Okay. So then we'll stain, we'll color match with some wood stain, and then get that horn, that antler looking back the way it should.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get the wrapping.
So now we got it wrapped up, all tight, like Jamie was talking about. We're ready to roll.
The main ingredient to get the skull good and white is, what I use is 40% by volume hydrogen peroxide. So you can get this, obviously, at salon care, so any beauty supply store, you can go and pick this up. About $4 or $5 a bottle. All right, Dan, we got it to a boil.
Let's roll.
You ready to do the honors?
Leaving it for 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
You can go all the way down?
All the way down. And
That's the saran wrap protects it. Can we time it?
Yep, you got it.
All right. You gonna do a song and dance?
They do those TikTok video dances.
I don't know how to do all that. We're right at 5 minutes. Getting closer.
Yep, just a couple more steps.
All right, Jamie, we're on the last leg, right?
This is the finishing touch.
Everything's dry now. We got 2 ones done. Got nothing complete. Everything's dry. Now we're gonna just do the finishing touches and put it on the plaque. All right, what do we do first, Jamie?
All right,
We're just
basically,
gonna stain it?
yep. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a wood stain. So this is the color of Provincial from Minwax. That was the one that kind of seems to match our East Texas deer's coloring the best. And use a Q-tip and just work in all of the lighter colored areas. So you're going to get some discoloring of the horn just during this process, during the bleaching, during the cleaning. It is, even though we saran wrap and protected these, it still bleaches through the pedicle and kind of bleaches from the inside. So all we're going to do is go back and add some color to it. You can use this one for a comparison to kind of see how light this deer head, this deer antlers are compared to the antlers on this one that's already been stained.
This will be dark. All right, let's do it. Alright, pretty much got it all stained up, ready to roll. Now the last touch, Jamie, I guess, if you want to do this, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But you put mopping glue on it. That one has the mopping glue on it.
So this one's got mopping glue on it.
This one's got the mopping glue. So it does make it look pretty good and shiny. I like the mopping glue. And then the last little touch is putting it on the plaque. I think I'm going to put some polyurethane or some kind of coating on it to make this kind of draw some of the colors out of the cedar. And then you just stick it on like that. Bam! Line it up.
Finished product.
That's finished. Ready to roll. That's good, Dan. Appreciate it.
Yep, no problem, Dan. Turned out good.
All right. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and go to my next video. Thanks, Jamie. See ya.